guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have the spring FabFitFun box. So this is my second FabFitFun in a while. And I don't know about this box, you guys, so let me know what you think of it and if you think I should continue to get these boxes because I am paying for them. They're a bit on the pricey side and I don't know that I'm that thrilled with this seasons box. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so the little magazine that comes with it has all of the products listed as well as the possible products. Okay, so the first thing, and you're supposed to be able to choose the products, but because I'm not like, I don't know, a VIP or whatever, I don't have the yearly subscription, I don't get first pick. So a lot of these were not my first pick, but I mean, they're still fine. Anyway, let me show you. Okay, this one I did actually choose. This is from Show Me Your Mumu, which I love that brand. They have some really beautiful stuff and they are definitely on the pricey side, so I don't own anything by them. Okay, so this is just a little robe, you know, it's just a lightweight floral kimono style cotton robe. And let's see, it says, just stepped out of the shower, planning a day of lounging, slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features a removable belt and a high-low hem. Really, it has a high-low hem? Oh, okay, I guess it goes a little bit up on the sides. Not a lot, I didn't even notice it. Anyway, I do really like this, and this will be perfect for those days in the spring and summer when I get out of the shower, but I don't quite want to get dressed yet, but I'm still doing my hair and makeup, but I don't want to walk around naked. So that's what I usually wear, these kind of lightweight robes. In the winter, I wear my big fuzzy one to keep warm. This one will be more of a summer robe. The other options were a backpack and an aromatherapy diffuser. I had no interest in either of those, so I'm glad I got my robe. Okay, the next one is sunglasses. So these are from Quay, Australia, and I chose My Girl in Black Smoke, which is more of a cat eye look. The other ones are more of like an aviator style, and they actually remind me of my running sunglasses. They have a very lightweight feel to them and kind of a coated plastic, so they almost feel not soft, but like rubberized, I guess. So I like the style of these. I think they're super cute, but they're really big, and I have a big head. They don't fit on my face. And I thought that was really interesting. You know, I mean, I'm so used to everything being small on me. So I do like them, definitely, and I will try to wear them, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe in the summertime when I get a sweaty nose, this will actually feel nice to have a nice loose nose bridge here. I don't know. Anyway, but they're cute, I like them. And you could have gotten the other sunglasses or a Sunny Life Lovers picnic set, or the Core's Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial Oil. So I like the sunglasses. Okay, the next one were these measuring spoons, which I thought were really cute, and I believe that's what I chose. That is not what I got. Or this Levito Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. What I actually ended up getting, I'm pretty sure this was my mystery item, which is a Klorane hair mask, and I used it on my bangs today because this is the part of my hair, the bleached, dyed part of my hair that's always really damaged, and so I do like to use hair masks on this part of my hair, so I used it today, and I have to say I really like it. It definitely left my hair feeling soft and manageable, and it has a nice scent to it. It's funny because it kind of smells like hair products, like, you know, when you go to the salon or something. I don't know, maybe just because it's new to me or something. Anyway, it does smell nice. It kind of looks like putty, but it has a nice creamy texture, and it's evidently made with desert date for dry, damaged, and brittle hair. So I like this. I'm definitely happy with it. I've only used it once so far, but so far so good. Next, we could have gotten a necklace. What I wanted was the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. What I ended up getting was this water bottle by Sip by Swell, and this is one of those double-walled, non-BPA metal water bottles, and this one holds 15 ounces of water, which is not a lot, but you can use it for hot things or for cold things. It's fine. It's not my favorite, but it's fine. I feel like I have so many water bottles just like this, and 15 ounces just isn't that much. The only thing that I can think I would use it for would be hot stuff, like if I wanted to bring some hot tea or hot cocoa along with me somewhere, maybe a hot buttered rum. And I like the blue periwinkle color, I do like that. And then the next thing, I got the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, which has probiotics in it. I haven't used this yet. Honestly, I'm a little bit afraid because I swear every time I use new skincare products, my skin breaks out in a terrible rash. I don't know if I've just become more sensitive lately or if more brands are using harsh products. I don't know what the deal is, but my skin keeps breaking out in a horrible, painful rash, so I haven't used this yet. I want to. I'm just a little bit afraid to. So I might eventually, but it sounds interesting. This probiotic gel-based cleanser removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. So we'll see. It's a nice big thing of it. And then the other things that you could have gotten were the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush, which is just like a body scrubber thing, or a jump rope, which would have been fun. And then the last 3 items, we got this Ouai leave-in conditioner, and I guess everybody got these 3. This Ouai leave-in conditioner, it smells really good, but it's very perfumey. I used it on my daughter's hair, and every time she walked past me, it would be like, woo, I can smell you. You smell nice, but you know, very aromatic, but it does work really well to just detangle and leave your hair soft and manageable. This is from Dr. Brandt. This is the No More Baggage eye depuffing gel. I've gotten this so many times before and it's fine, but it's not my favorite and it's not cruelty free, so I'll just be giving this away to somebody. And then the final product is this body scrub, champagne charcoal scrub. Who is this by? Oh, this is from Manna Kadar. I love Manna Kadar products. Okay, so this is Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. And it does definitely have some salt in it because I can feel it when I put it on my freshly shaved legs. But you know, it's got like the charcoal in it. It smells really good. It's got like a fruity kind of a scent. It does kind of smell like, you know, a champagne gummy bear. That's what it smells like. It smells really good. I do really like it. I've used it several times now. I love body scrubs and it's really nice. I like it a lot. Okay, so that's my FabFitFun. I definitely got a lot of stuff. They also have like a sale before you get your box, you know, like an add-ons thing. And you can go through and get different add-ons at discount prices. And I went through it and couldn't find anything that I really wanted. And it was a bummer because all the things that I did want were already sold out. And again, I think it's that whole VIP status, which kind of makes me feel like poo, honestly. I don't know, do you guys ever feel like that? Like if you don't upgrade, you're just kind of like the dregs left behind and it doesn't make you feel good. I don't know why I'm like personally insulted by this box, but anyway, let me know if you guys got your FabFitFun for spring, what you thought of it. Are you thinking about getting this box? What do you think? Should I keep getting these or how are you guys feeling about your FabFitFuns? Let me know. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all of the information in the description box as always. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!